The Maserati MC20 Cielo, an open-top masterpiece that embodies the spirit of Italian luxury and performance. The Cielo, translating to sky in Italian, promises a driving experience that goes beyond the ordinary. With its convertible design, this car invites you to feel the wind in your hair as you unleash the power beneath the hood. Design and aesthetics. The MC20 Cielo is a visual marvel, combining Maserati's signature elegance with the thrill of open-top motoring. From the distinctive Maserati trident on the front grille to the sculpted lines that flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, the Cielo is a work of automotive art. It's a car that not only commands attention, but leaves an indelible mark on the road. Performance and power. Underneath that sleek and aerodynamic exterior, the MC20 Cielo houses the same powerhouse as its coupe sibling. A mid-mounted, twin-turbocharged V6 engine delivers an exhilarating 621 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. The convertible variant retains the coupe's lightning-fast acceleration, propelling you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. It's not just a car, it's a symphony of power and freedom. Interior elegance. Step inside the MC20 Cielo, and you're welcomed into a world of luxury. Maserati has spared no expense in crafting an interior that marries comfort and sophistication. Premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and the latest in-car technology come together to create a space that's not just a cockpit, but a sanctuary for the driver and passengers alike. Top-down driving experience. One of the key attractions of the MC20 Cielo is, of course, the top-down driving experience. The retractable roof is a work of engineering art, seamlessly folding away to let you connect with the surroundings. Whether you're cruising through the city lights or conquering scenic routes, the Cielo ensures you're not just driving, you're experiencing the journey in its purest form. Price and availability. And now, the moment many of you have been waiting for: the price and availability. The Maserati MC20 Cielo is priced starting at $250,000, and orders are now open. It's a testament to Italian craftsmanship and performance, and for those who seek the pinnacle of convertible driving, this might just be the dream car you've been waiting for. That concludes our journey into the Maserati MC20 Cielo. What are your thoughts on this convertible masterpiece? Share your comments below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive adventures. At 35 Automotive, keep the passion alive and the wheels spinning. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.